Good morning. We're doing a Facebook Live video today, and it's actually an early Easter egg hunt. We're working with a toy brand to show you how you could do an Easter egg hunt and find super cool fun prizes for the kids. So they're sitting here and they're ready. Hopefully this goes well, because live videos are always a little scary. But are you guys ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them the first clue. Maxwell, you're gonna help your sister find the Easter eggs?
Duck truck.
Okay, here it is. Okay.
So here's the duck truck, and here's all the eggs.
Okay, put the eggs in your basket. Mila, you gonna help them?
Hey, that egg. Come on, egg, get out of here.
Put the eggs in your basket, buddy.
How we put them in?
Just put them in. Put them in your bag. Mila, you gonna help?
Yeah.
Okay, Mila's still, she's not 100% sure. Hi, Nan. We're doing our scavenger Easter egg hunt. Okay, and then what's the next clue, Maxwell? Okay, so where's that?
Winners are in the kitchen.
Okay, Mila, you gonna help them?
Let's
You gonna
go.
help them? We've got birthday party decorations for tomorrow. Do you see another clue? Oh my gosh, let me see the clue. Okay, so where's the next clue?
The next clue is in the swing.
Okay, Mila, did you see the next clue, baby?
Yeah.
This is the next clue.
It's in the swing.
So this might work better for like 4-year-olds. Mila, you gonna come get the next clue? Mila, come on. She likes to color. Okay, Maxwell, where are you?
Oh, I found the upper bunny ears.
Oh, cool, for Mila. Okay, well, let's go find the next clue.
But-
Where is it? Where's the next clue?
Outside.
Mila, you coming?
Yeah.
Okay, go get the next clue.
Go get the next clue.
Mila, you gonna come?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Thank you.
Okay, we're doing a scavenger hunt.
Yeah.
I make these for kids' birthdays and
Yeah.
Father's Day. Did you find the next clue?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show me. Okay, so where are you gonna go next?
There's some Easter bunnies in there.
Easter bunnies in there?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put them in your basket and then come on. Mila, are you doing the Easter egg hunt? Do you want your bunny ears?
Yeah.
Do you want bunny ears?
Put them in my basket. Look.
I just turned this around. Okay.
Look.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, so where's the next one?
Oh, in the backpacks.
In the packs. Okay, here we go. Come on, Mila.
Let's go back inside.
Let's go back inside. Where are the packs?
There they are.
Mila, where are the packs? Can you let Mila try?
Yeah,
Mila, Mila, try. Can you find the next clue, baby?
Yeah.
It's in the pack. So I draw the little. Okay, where's the next one, Maxwell? Okay, here's the next clue.
In the Duclos.
Okay, well you better go find them. Mila, you gonna help Maxwell?
Yeah,
Okay, here we go.
Look.
You got more? What's the next clue? Did you look inside? It might be hiding inside the Duplos. You gotta find the next clue.
The car.
Let me see. Whoa! Mila! She's a little bit slower. Show Mila. Mila, look where the next clue is. Where's the car? Come on, baby. Let's go find the car.
Wait, not yet.
Here's the next clue.
Easter.
Okay. And I'll show you guys how I organize this
Easter
when this is
bunny.
over. Okay, come on. Mila, where's the car?
No, not yet.
Okay,
there we go.
we're waiting.
There.
Mila, come on, baby.
Let's go.
Mila, come on.
The next clue. Oh, there's present.
Come on, Mila.
It's a present.
It's a present. Let's go find it, baby.
It's...
Whoa. What is it?
Yay! But still, it's...
What is it, So I partnered with Fisher Price to share some creative, fun Easter gift ideas. This is available at Walmart. Do you like it? Teapot! And Mila's gonna, yay! And Mila's gonna share with you, right? How cute are they?
What?
And Easter eggs too?
Yeah!
Wow! They're so cute. Okay, I guess I need to open it. So I just kind of wanted to share. I'm losing all the cards, but I have a post on the blog about the scavenger hunt, but it's fun for any holiday, including Easter, obviously. I kind of added Easter eggs to this. And we're...
Mommy!
Yes?
Look how many eggs I got!
Oh my goodness, what a fun Easter egg hunt!
I just can't wait to open them.
You can't wait to open them?
Yeah,
Oh, there's nothing in them.
Open them.
So I think Mila's pretty excited about her gift.
Mila?
And I'm excited to open it because she got a kitchen from Santa Claus for Christmas, so this is the perfect addition for her kitchen.
What's that?
So thank you, Fisher Price, and I will leave a link to the blog post about making the clue game, the scavenger hunt as I call it. I guess with the ones I have, so I always organize it by just writing on the back where to put them. So as you can see, like, and I use them over and over again, so you can see that this one's been used 3 or 4 times. Yes, buddy?
Is it okay if I open this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave a link and write a little bit more about what's going on, but yay for scavenger hunt, Easter egg hunts, and Fisher Price, and cute toys for Easter. And I think they're pretty excited. Mila, what do you think? Teapot! Thank you guys. Have a good day and happy early Easter.